Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
President Rangba jong United Democratic Party uba medba Lyngdoh ulapan pa ba party ka Sngewskhem ba uba Synshar Lyngdoh ubulong kurtong ba party ka lapenyang haka election balapin sange sipor ha Sohïong Constituency unyo ya jing job haka ni ka kinti haka jing kan bigla pathai kubur haka lai trik uyong arajar arpulai uba medba Lyngdoh ulai thu bakat kum ki jing yo jing tep hadu menta uba Synshar udon ya ka thong ban job ya ni ka election but long ru kum ulong mikman uba thamai na ni ka constituency.
We are very confident. That this time, even from Sohïong Constituency, after the adjournment, which has for polling, which has been announced by the Election Commission, and now the adjournment date has been fixed by the Election Commission. So we will move ahead, and till now, whatever information that I have, whatever inputs that we have received from the ground level, things are going in favor of our candidate. Partly because what I witnessed myself personally when I met one gentleman who was from my constituency but married and settled down in Sohïong constituency. He said, this time we will ensure that even we voted for, we were with a different political party, but this time we will ensure that we are back with the UDP to ensure that we would like to see show our gratefulness to late HDR Lyngdoh because of his contribution to the constituency and even to them also as family, in this during those years when he was the MLA of Sohïong.